Okay, we're gonna start off with a nice gentle pad. Slight jog. Okay, heels up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Energy higher. Keep that chest over. Okay, step touch. Lift them shoulders up, down. Bend them knees. Good. Circle them shoulders. And to the front. Okay, high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Knees up. And back. Star jumps. To the side. Back to high heels. Hold it down.
Do we call it love or do we call it all? There ain't no maybe. I just can't keep holding.
Roll up.
I can't keep
Look
holding
to
on.
side, side, side.
I can't keep holding
Look up.
on.
And down. Tilt to the side. Circle ahead.
If you wanna be
And the other way.
I need you all and nothing less than. I can't go
Chop.
on in between.
Stretch that arm. Make sure that shoulder isn't up. Pull down. And reach. Across. Reach to the side. To the side lunge. Down. Pull it back. Lift that toe up. Lunge it out. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach back. Lift that toe. Lunge it out. To the front. Back up. High heels. Bring that energy back down. Pad through the feet. Great work, guys. Go grab some water. Okay, guys, this is our cardio blast section. This means we are going full force, high energy cardio non-stop. So pace yourself, keep breathing throughout. Every time we work on our arms, make sure you're keeping them arms strong, engaging that core, belly button into spine. Okay, get ready, here we go. We're gonna start with heel taps. Heel jumps, double, single, double. Touch the floor, in, out. Touch the floor, in, out. Single, double. Single, double. Go down, up, repeat. Last one. We're gonna hop back. Push these arms nice and strong. Keep the power through the legs. Okay, next step, we're gonna take a box step. That means 4 steps. And down, up, step, jump. Knees back. To the side. Jump out and in. And twist it out. Power with the arms. Push. Up, 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 up. Twist jump. Step, step. Step, step. Step, step. Jump. Up. Down. Out. Up. Keep breathing. Stop. Single, double. Touch the floor. And down. And out. Hop back. Work these arms. Engage that core, pull it in. Okay, box step. Get low. Down. Up. Jump it out. Down. Strong arms. Knee lifts. Here we go. Pull it back. Engage that core. Woo. We're gonna jump it out. Out, in. Twist it out. Strong arms. Push, push. Twist and jump. Step, step. Twist. Great job, you guys. Go grab some water, get ready for our next section. So for this exercise, you're gonna need a mat. This is core strength, so we're building our core area and ab area. We're gonna be in plank position quite a lot, working them arms too. You're gonna need to engage that core, putting that belly button into your spine, keeping a nice strong format the whole way through. Take little breaks if you need to, but the more you keep doing this routine, the stronger that you'll get. We're gonna start at the end of our mat. We're gonna start with the inchworm. So we're gonna be walking out. Walk out with your hands into plank position and back up. You can keep these legs bent if you need to.
I'm gonna find my way tonight.
Hold it out here. We're gonna go down to the elbows and up back to our hands. Down. Keeping this nice strong format.
One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
Okay, back down to our elbows. Rock in that plank position. Engage in that core, pull it in. Okay, from here we're gonna reach our hands out one at a time. So, reach out and in. Out and in.
What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster?
Okay, from here we're gonna take it back to the beginning. Walking it back up.
Don't wanna have to wait tonight.
Woo.
Wait tonight.
And up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down.
Wait tonight.
Hold it here. Down to the elbows. Down. Down and up. Squeeze that form. If you want to, you can go double speed. Or keep that same pace, that's absolutely fine. Rock that plank. You got this, guys. If you need to, put them knees down to take some of that body weight off. Okay, we're gonna reach out, here we go. Reach out, and in, out, in. Put them knees down if you need to. Or we can double the speed, out, in, out, in. Next, pull them hips up and down. Up and down. Squeeze it up and squeeze that down. Squeezing that core and down. Lower down. Finishing out with tricep dips. Lift up, down, up, down. Get them elbows out straight. Behind you. Squeeze that core. Great job, you guys. Grab some water and get ready for the next exercise. Okay, so this workout routine is an ab workout routine. This is level 1. So we're gonna be engaging our core throughout the whole way, pulling our belly button into our spine. As we lay down, I want you to focus on that lower back, sinking into the floor and pushing down. Our rhythm is gonna be 8 slow and 8 quick throughout the whole time. So we're gonna start lying down, feet placed on the floor, firmly onto the floor. Now watch that back isn't arching and it's pulling under. We're gonna lift up with 8 slow crunches and then we're gonna double the speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Watch that neck, you're not lifting. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna reach to the side and down. Up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. Reach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch sides. Go 1. Squeeze it down. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't go all the way down. 8. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs up. 1, 2, 3. You can relax some knees if you need to. 4, 5. Keep that chest lifted. 6, 7. Squeeze that core. 8. Double time. Reach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs bend. 1, 2. Watch that lower back here. 3, 4. Squeeze it down. Squeeze. 6, 7, 8. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs open. 1. They're in butterfly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs down straight. 1. Woo, you got this, guys. Keep going. Up 3, 4. Push through the band. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. Last set. Here you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Lift up. Push them feet down to the floor. Back. Reach back. Hold it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach up. Push back. Lift that chest. Engage that core. Belly button into the spine. Hold it when you feel that burn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push up. Pull down. Push up. Pull down. Nice work, you guys. Grab some water, take a couple of seconds, get ready for your next exercise. Okay, we've now reached our last section of our workout. This is our cool down section. We're really gonna relax and stretch into our body and breathe real deep. You're gonna need a mat for this exercise. Lift up, relax down. Breathe in and out and up, and let that head gently roll around. Make this roll in your own time. Switch directions. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up and push down with the other shoulder. And switch. Bring that chin into your chest and gently just rock side to side. And come up and reach over to the side. Just gently ease through this stretch. Switch sides. Keep that hip on the floor. And up. And wrap that arm across your body. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up. Pull it down. And gently with your other hand, pull your arm in. Switch sides. Pull that left knee over on top. If you need to, you can keep this leg stretched out or wrap it down. Put that hip down to the floor. Pull that knee into your chest. Take a nice long straight back. Twist to the side. And switch sides. Pop that foot on top, roll down. Pull it in, keep that hip down, and twist, and switch. Get on top, push down, keeping your hips on the floor, and gently come back up. Roll them shoulders. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Don't forget to check out some of my other workouts. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment, and tag me in any videos that you make on Instagram. I'd love to see you working along with me.